Create labels in Microsoft Word document. In this video, I will show you how you can create labels in Word document easily. So let's get started. Open your Word document. To create labels, go to Mailing tab. Choose Labels. Then a small window will open. Under Address, you have to type the address. Type any address. Click on this image. You are having a number of options for creating labels, like landscape, portrait, letter. I will choose 30 per page option. You can see that 30 per page is written 2 times. I will choose the second one. Click OK. Select New Document. Here you go. Microsoft Word has created label sheet containing 30 labels. Select all labels. You can use options like bold, center it. By going to Design, you can select background shading. Choose any color according to your requirement. Now you can easily print the document and create labels. By following these steps, you can easily create labels in Word document. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.